Hey there, guys. Hey, don't bite me. Come here. Oh, you're gonna try to bite me too? Good job. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another Bounce Family Farm video. Today we are out just moving our animals, getting them fed and watered, all the normal typical stuff. But we've also got a couple of projects to do, and so we are going to take you along and show you what we are up to. First things first, we are taking off these pieces of tarp from the chicken coop. We had a couple more cool days last week, so we hadn't done it yet, but it is definitely springtime now, and so we're going to open those up so that more air can ventilate through the chicken wire. All the chickens are freaking out because of the sound of his impact. First project of the day complete. Hey there, chickens. Now you can see outside from your window.
The next project is we're getting the stock tank ready so we can separate the calves. It's that time. And this is just a tough stuff 110-gallon tank. I've got a float valve here. It's a Joby valve, and so we're just installing that. This is a 1-inch paddle bit, and I just try to get it as close down to the bottom of the tank. You don't want to go too far down, but just far enough to where you can screw this on. And then put our washer. Next, we gotta put our float on. And this, as the water level goes up and down, it pulls on that string and will let water come in or shut it off once it gets to the set height. So we want it right about there.
We'll get to you guys next.
So we're filling it up. I'm just going to show you guys how this thing will just shut off. So when the water level rises, it pulls this float valve up. We'll pull on that and shut it off. What's nice about these is you can disconnect them. They got like a quick attach thing. So you can take that part off to clean it out or whatever. It's got a little screen in there to help keep dirt and debris out.
So another project completed. It has filled all the way up. So again, you can see the little floater has signaled for the water to stop filling up.
Alright, so I got the fence set up, 2 strands, and got all my posts stepped in, and their water tank is good to go. So now we just got to try to get the calves in here without the cows coming in behind them, and you can see they're all right down there in the shade. It's a little bit hot out today, it's about 80 degrees, so they're definitely gonna be looking for shade.
So now we use alfalfa pellets to try to separate the calves from their mamas, because they are old enough and their moms are bred again, and so we are wanting them to stop nursing. So we'll see how this goes. Now to go turn on the fence. So that went a lot smoother than anticipated. We did have to put the heifer calf from 2021 in here as well. She's far back. Because even though we did this with her, weaned her off her mom, when these other calves were born, she decided to start nursing again too. And so she's actually bred, we can tell. And so she needs to stop that. And so that's why we put her in here with the other calves.
Now I'm trying to worm the cows, and we're giving them alfalfa pellets to try to keep them still, because we don't have a cow chute or anything like that. That's coming. So hopefully this will work.
Bad piggies? No, no. Nope. Why'd you look at me? It's the struggle of needing to act fast, but also not wanting to scare the animals, because they scare very, very easily. And for some reason, they know that something is up. And they're realizing something's different, and why aren't we getting alfalfa pellet treats? So we would count that as a success to separate these guys, and then to worm. We got 2 of these guys wormed that needed to be done. So now we will watch and make sure that nobody tries to escape and get back together. And so we're gonna finish up doing a couple more things for the day, and then we'll be done. Another project on the agenda was to clean out some of these nest boxes. So Jeremiah is adding some fresh shavings. He cleaned out what was dirty. So now they'll have a fresh, clean place to lay their eggs. And I'm gonna collect the second basket of eggs. I already got the first basket. Oh, and lovely. That chicken climbed up there to see what was in there. So we got almost 13 dozen eggs. We've got lots of orders, so that works out great. Thank you, chickens. All right, well, that concludes our video today. Hope you enjoyed seeing what we've been up to, and please like this video and comment. Subscribe to our channel to help us out, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you next time. Ooh.